This time we're going to be doing an ellipse by the trammel method, and there's instructions in our old blue book. We're given the axis A, B, and an axis CD. And after we have these axes, you're going to use a piece of paper that we're going to call a trammel. And what you're going to do is pick you out a spot on your trammel, and that will be our point O. And you're going to mark off your major axis, and we're going to call that one little b, little d, and we're going to mark off our minor axis, and we're going to call it little a. Keeping these points on our axis, I have my little d and my little a here. I'm going to mark me a point. I'm going to move them around a little bit and get both of them back on my axis, and I'm going to mark me a point. I'll move them around some, get both of them on the axis, and mark a point. And I'm doing this darker than what I should in order for you to be able to see what I'm doing. Oh, this is not good. Had it drawn too large to start with. But you see what I'm doing now. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Mark a point, move it around some, mark a point, mark a point, mark a point, and mark a point. Let's do one more over here, and we'll do half of this ellipse, show you how to do it by the trammel and by using your French curve. That lines up pretty good. We're going through our points. Lines up pretty good. We're going through our points we just created, and we created an ellipse. You do the same thing on the bottom, or we created half an ellipse. You do the same thing on the bottom using your trammel, keeping your points on your trammel on the axis, and move them around, giving you points on your ellipse. Turning it on. Turn it this way. And again, using your French curve. Sometimes it's actually better to use more than one spot on the French curve. I'm going to, on this side, demonstrate how much better it would look if I use two places on my French curve.